Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Sharita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. Welcome. Today we're getting this bedroom ready for a spring collaboration with Wayfair. Yes, I'm partnering with Wayfair on Instagram, and many of you know that I often shop there because they offer a wide range of brands and products all in one place. I'm starting by replacing the black curtains in this bedroom with some gold ones that I already had. We're aiming for more of a gold aesthetic, and I plan to hang the curtains all the way up to the ceiling, which I believe are 9-foot ceilings. Since my curtains are only 8 feet long, they may end up looking a bit short, but they'll mostly be hidden right behind the nightstand. And to camouflage it, for now, I'll just use a planter or something similar just to hide the length of the curtains. I do plan to replace the curtains later, but for now, I'm going to go ahead and hang these up. And I'm peeping out the window because I have a delivery, and I am so excited today because I have finally received the other items I was waiting for, and one of the big items I'm waiting on that arrived today is a modular sectional as well as some small decor pieces. And I'll share those items with you all in the upcoming videos. But for now, let's go ahead and hang these curtains and finish decorating the space. We will be adding these two art pieces back to the space. If you missed the last video in this space, I demonstrated a technique where I use black tape around the rim of these art pieces to give it a trimmed black appearance, and it held up quite well. Now I will remove the black tape from both pieces of art because I need the original look to be shown. And when it comes to centering your items above your bed, I start from the inside and work my way out. So of course I found the center of the bed and moved outwards with measuring. And as you can see, when paired with curtains that extend to the ceiling, art can help accentuate the height of the room, balancing the visual weight and making the space feel larger. So it looks larger already. So let's go ahead and remove the few little items I left on the bed, and we're going to add our lamps. And I'm adding the lamps now because I usually have a hard time plugging them up after making the bed. So we're going to clean the nightstands off and add the lamps from the living room. Snap my fingers to add the mattress cover as well as the sheets, and I have this beautiful, absolutely gorgeous bedspread that is in a warm brown, almost look golden. It is gorgeous. I do have a link to it. I'll link it in the description. as well as the other items that I'm going to share in the space. I also picked up this beautiful double-sided duvet cover set from Wayfair. I chose it because I felt like it would bring the spring charm needed into this bedroom. And I'm using the inside out method to add my duvet insert to the duvet cover. I secured those in place, and it's such a breeze. And although some people have mentioned issues with their duvet insert shifting inside the cover, I have not experienced that problem. And I've become quite fond of duvet covers because they add such a touch of elegance to the bed. Plus, they offer the flexibility to switch out the duvet inserts according to the season. The one I'm currently using is lightweight. It's perfect for springtime and summer. And you can also buy some that are heavier, which will be perfect for the fall and winter. And we're using the pillow covers that came with the duvet. And then we're also using the pillow covers that came with the bedspread. Now we're going to add some pillow covers from Amazon just to bring more of that warm brown, which looks kind of golden, to the space. And I absolutely love these velvet like pillow covers. They are 24 inches. I'm using about a 26-inch pillow insert, and I absolutely love anywhere from 24 to 26-inch pillow covers on my beds, just depending on if it's the king or queen. But usually I'm going for a 24-26 as my main backdrop for my pillow looks. And I know you're wondering, how are we going to add a pop of spring when we're working with warm brown, cream, and black with just a simple B pillow that I already had. I purchased it last year, and I'm just going to add it dead smack in the center, and it's going to pair really nicely with the rest of the colors that are going on in the space. I picked up two of these ruffled fluted decorative bows from Ross. They were $5.99 each. I'm going to add one to each nightstand, and then I'm going to add this decorative floral arrangement to one nightstand. And this is some room fragrance I picked up. I love the fact it had the flowers in it, but I'm not going to keep it in the space. I felt like it was not working in the space. And then we're going to add this clear vase with just one of the greeneries to it, just to add some color in this clear vase. And then we're going to add an artificial plant to kind of camouflage the height or the length of those curtains in the far corner by the nightstand. So now I'm just playing around with this throw blanket my mom crocheted for me. Absolutely love it. And I originally was going to add those two of the four mirrors that I shared in a recent haul, but I took them back, so I decided to use one of the mirrors that I purchased a couple of years ago from Wayfair. Absolutely love it, and I actually purchased it because of the shape of the mirror. it mimics the shape of the bed. So my goal is to have it lined up with the bed, and I have to be somewhat precise with my measurements. And it's really hard trying to hang this mirror in this corner because I don't have enough room to kind of get behind the mirror, but I got it up there and got it done, y'all. And it turned out to be exactly where I needed to be. There is quite a bit of a gap underneath the mirror, but it's fine. And I may come back and add a few more pieces later. And this is a 3-piece art set that I picked up from Wayfair. Absolutely love it. So this is a very inexpensive set of 3 pieces of art. You have to actually add your hanging kit to the back. It was really simple. I just did this the other day. I do a lot of times when I get to shifting the direction of the art that I hang. So it was no problem. It came with everything we needed. All I had to do was find the center and measure from that point. And I have 3 of those. They are from Wayfair. They are inexpensive. And I'm going to hang these on the right side of the bed. I originally was going to add a mirror, but I decided to go with art since I already have a small mirror on the wall beside the bed. So I'm just going to remove the rest of the packaging and add the hardware. And we're also going to do our measurements on the wall and hang this art. Hardware also came with the picture kit, and as you can see, I'm going to hang it directly on that. So the picture hanging kit is going to help with reducing damaging your wall. So the kit that came with it was perfect. It was really easy. I hammered it right in place. And as you can see, that art has more of that rosy peach and pink color in it. And it ties really good into the rest of the space. And I just added 2 little bunnies in that color family to blend with the art. And that's it. That's all. This is how the space turned out. So a lot of times when I'm decorating, I share with you all a completely finished look, but that ends up making my videos get behind. So today I'm showing you my plan for the space. So as far as decor pieces, everything is in place. I am going to add a taller dresser to this wall, and I did pick up a piece of art that I plan to add right above the wall. It is a starburst. And I'm also going to extend the height of my windowsill and door by adding some white paneling. I've done that before in my kitchen area. Turned out great. And it also makes sure I go up some so the room will look even larger. Since I was waiting on Wayfair to approve my reel on Instagram, I went ahead and added the tall dresser to this space, and now you can see the vision I was going for in this room. All right, everyone, we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you like these types of videos and you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. Feel free to like, share, and comment. It really does help my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.